Hi Aries, this is Star with Rihanna Stark. This is your monthly forecast for the month of November 2021. Like always, I will rely on tarot for your overall messages, and I'm also being called to dive into these oracle texts that I have here. Aries, please keep in mind that these are all random messages and they may not be in any particular order, so please take whatever resonates with your story and leave the rest. Before I proceed, I would also like to take this opportunity to thank you for your support in this journey. Let's just begin with your reading. Towards the final days of October, stepping into November 2021, we have the Page of Cups. I think you were a bit withdrawn at times. Possibly, your family members felt that you were detached. Maybe you did not want to get into unnecessary arguments. Nonetheless, I think Aries, in this time you were sought after for your words of wisdom. Maybe estranged people were also trying to reconnect with you. I think you were also dealing with a jealous colleague. Perhaps this person wants to maintain his or her authority over you. That is why he or she never acknowledges your skills. Interestingly, Aries, in these final days, you were also considering asking for a raise, or perhaps you were looking for obstacles to overcome this month. The challenges that November is going to present for Aries worldwide is the Hangman. I think you need to guard against ill health. Maybe mentally or physically, you could be feeling a bit down and out. However, professionally, largely, I think November is a period when you need to prioritize, you have to adjust your schedule. Maybe you will have to attend to unscheduled work, that is. I think you will also benefit if you take assistance from others. Besides, I think Aries, you shouldn't overlook the details. But again, Aries, at times you may also be feeling as though you're the one who's always sacrificing yourself. Influences for this month, we have the Eight of Cups. Again, this person has his back to the world, so possibly you may be wanting to walk away from certain situations. Emotionally, like I said, it could not be your best period, or psychologically, you may be feeling low or at a loss. Incidentally, this month is also good. I think while working, Aries, you will benefit if you seek clarifications. Like I said, you could overlook the details. Maybe you're also dealing with colleagues who are non-compliant. The issue of principles could also come into play this month. Maybe your superior or a colleague expects you to be sly, but you think it's unethical to do the same. That is why I think you could have a difference of opinion here. The first 10 days of November, that is 1st to 10th November, we have the Ace of Swords here. Possibly you're somebody who is going to be quite determined. You want to cut through the obstacles. Definitely you will also benefit on account of your contacts or your acquaintances. I think you should seek assistance because assistance is the way forward for you this month. You do have the heightened energy to get ahead. Besides, you're going to be thinking on your feet, and your quick decisions will help you make those gains. In all likelihood, you will find that deals are going to be finalized quite quickly. Other than that, Aries, I'm also picking up that you could be a bit reckless this month. Maybe you will be a bit rash, or you could be temperamental. The next 10 days, that is towards 11th to 20th November, we have the Six of Swords. Again, this is the Swords energy, so you may be undecided about how you should proceed, but then you're moving from a turbulent period to a calmer period. I think you will be commuting great distances, or perhaps you could be making those travel plans. Paperwork or technical work is also going to increase. Maybe you'll have to get your official documents in order. Incidentally, in this time, I'm also picking up that those clients or those superiors who underestimate your talent could be apologetic. The final days of November, that is towards 21st to 30th November, we have the Six of Wands. The Six of Wands definitely talks about you being in the spotlight. You are going to be the center of attention, whether it comes to your looks or whether it comes to professional matters. I think your intelligence is going to help you make gains. Besides, you're also going to be quite intuitive. However, Aries, another thing I'm picking up is that while working with others, maybe you will feel that someone hasn't been upfront with respect to money matters. I think you're someone who doesn't tolerate injustice. You will definitely give a piece of your mind to colleagues or acquaintances who have misbehaved with you in the past. Again, this period will also be marked by hectic activity. Like I said, important documents need to be arranged, or you will be dealing with technical work. I think the endless rounds of communication could also annoy you a bit or could leave you peeved. Other than that, this month, Aries, I think you could spend your time cleaning your living space. You will be socializing, you will be enjoying good food as well. With respect to your love life, Aries, I have this card, Material World. I think money matters could affect your love life this month. Possibly you may be deliberating about work-related issues, or maybe you will be consulting your special someone with respect to professional matters. For some of you, I'm also picking up that you could be forced to communicate with the person on account of a particular problem that arises, whether at work or within the family. Even though you don't want to, but then I think this person has stolen your heart. In case you're crushing on someone, or in case you fancy someone, Aries, I think you want this person to acknowledge you do feel deep love, but then you also feel a sense of loss, because you see we do have the Eight of Cups in your influences. So maybe you feel this person is wearing a mask or is not acknowledging your feelings. Perhaps this could make your life a bit jerky this month. You know, the camera just jerked, so maybe it could be a jerky love connection here. That reminds me that maybe an ex-flame could also reach out to you with the work offer this month, because we do have the material world, which is your concern here. Maybe some of you are also concerned about your lover or your spouse financial condition. Nevertheless, I think your partner is someone who is going to be quite obliging this month. It's also possible that you could be making those travel plans, because we do have the Six of Swords. Maybe you want to meet up with your person. You're willing to travel to be with your lover or your beloved, but then the issue of commitment could also be something which could play on your mind. Secondly, Aries, I think you should also be careful, because somebody could meddle in your romantic life, or even if you're married, there could be a third person who could be creating rifts. To wrap up this reading, we have a final message from Signs from Spirit Love Oracle. It says here, coin support. So again, material vibration is something which is coming up again and again in your reading. So you need to have a look at your finances, or maybe you need to seek financial support from somebody around you. All in all, November is going to turn out to be good for you professionally, but then you need to guard against ill. You're definitely going to be the center of attention. You're going to hog the limelight. All eyes are definitely going to be on you this month, Aries. I hope, Aries, you liked your reading. This is Tara with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.